they'll call us when, like, anybody up near the AO we're in right now needs us, whether it be close air support, immediate assault support being resupply missions, or close air support, what we're tasked out for today. And any other day we do small troop inserts, extracts, just transport, and then we provide close air support basically on a day-to-day basis. We like to stay offset, that way they don't hear us, and we'll get PID, and then we'll get to engage and eliminate the threat. But most of the time they can hear us, or they'll have spotters here and there, and they'll see us, and then they'll quit shooting, or they'll throw their guns in the bushes and